All right, welcome back, Bobcats. I'm gonna kind of guide you through on how you see the class and what the class is. Last time we did this. This is the video you watched. We went over the simple version of the bell-to-bell schedule online, with the welcome history, my PowerPoint, and the norms and expectations. So here are the classroom links. I'm going to kind of guide you through that on what these are. As you see, there's kind of a description right down here. It says open the folder, then choose if you want to join some live class or office hours. And then I tell you, live classes are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9:30 to 9:35 to 10:50, and you have that right here as well. All right, so you see that, and then office hours are Tuesday, Thursday for 9:35 to 10:50. Again, this is for second period, not third or fourth period. So I'm gonna click this right here because let's say it's Monday at 9:30. So I'm going to click this link because I need to go to my live class. And since it's a live class and it's on a Monday, I know I'll have class period on that time. I'm going to click here. All right. And so it says click the link below to join the synchronized class, which is live, like we're actually in class. So this is like we're actually in class. We're going to do some type of in-class activity going through the stuff. So all you do is click join team meeting. And then I recommend downloading the app. If not, you'll be sideways. It's cool if you're sideways. Then I'm going to know you as sideways, but it is what it is. I'm going to open Microsoft Teams because I already have the app downloaded from the spring. And then it's going to open up. Alright, so right there. And then my camera is off because I'm recording myself right now, so it's not going to work. Make sure when you join, you turn the microphone off, so that way you're muted. If you want to talk, you can turn it on, but when you enter, please have it off. Especially if I'm in a live recording and you're late, you're supposed to be on time. That way you're not interrupting. And then it goes in and you're in. Once you're in, there's a couple options we can use to talk when I am speaking. So you need to say unmuted. You can use this chat option over here and type in your new message right here. Or you can raise your hand and then I can allow you to speak. Because when you have a lot of people on here, it's a lot different than the classroom because you have lag and stuff like that. Alright, so that kind of shows you that right there. All right. Hopefully you are somewhat familiar with that. Other classes have shown you that probably as well. So, going back to this right here, again, that's from my live synchronous class. Let's say we actually weren't having a live class, so we're in second period, and it's whatever, yeah, and say today we have office hours because I kind of don't have it memorized yet at all. So it would be, and so we click right here if we need to go to office hours, and again, there are two different links, they look the same, but for office hours, you would click that one, all right? So, sorry, my brain's a little tired. I already made this video once and it just didn't upload. Alright, so again, you see that right here. So again, for second period, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is when you have live class, and then office hours. Again, if you forget, for any class period, you have that right there. So, now this is what we'll be doing for this week. I will break these out by week. See, it says week 1, and then I have the date for you, August 5th, 4th through the 7th, lessons and assignments. Alright, and so for week 2, the next week, we'll have the same thing, so you know which one you need to be looking at. And so this week there are 6 tasks. There's announcements, and you read them and take notes on them. There's a syllabus. Pay attention when you should have assignments completed. There's an introduction you do. There's a complete the Tuesday task, which is a geography lesson, and there's a complete Civil War refresher lesson, and then a finished pretest. If you do the pretest, you will get 100 on a summative assignment. So I'm going to click this right here, and everything I just said appears right here. So again, I'm going to try to be quick about this because I'm not trying to stay on here forever and a decade. And the longer I am, the longer it takes to upload. So I'm not going to read through all this, but this tells you what we're going to be doing this week right here. Tells you what we're going to do on each day. So here's Tuesday right here. Alright, again, this will be changed to my name later on. Me, Mr. Self, and Mr. Buchanan are working together on this because we teach the same classes. So again, you see Wednesday, you see Thursday, and Friday. So I'm going to make these links on here as well. for you to click through. So there's a lot of ways to access either a live class or an office hour. And then here's some reminders right here for you to do as well. Again, if you complete your unit pretest, you get 100%. All right, for a summative assignment. So again, that's for you. And again, if you need me, I'll have my email down here. It will not be Mr. Self. Mr. Self is not your teacher. I am your teacher, and so I will be changing that. And you won't even see Self. I'll have it all uploaded. I just haven't done that yet. So, so that's your announcements. And then I'm going to go here to syllabus. So some of you might like the announcements better. Some of you may like the syllabus better. We have two different ways to display it to you. To each their own. It's all pretty much the same thing. Just looks a little different. So this is kind of their syllabus. So you'll see my name up here. See my email. I'm going to work on another way of contacting you. Probably through GroupMe or something like that. Because we can't really use social media. And I really don't want to give out my cell phone number. But we'll see. And so this is kind of just an overview of what we're going to do all year. We're going to go through Industrial Revolution. We're going to go through this thing called the Gilded Age. We're going to go through Progressive Era. We're going to go through World War I, Spanish-American War, which is imperialism, 1920s. We're going to go through the Great Depression, World War II. We got the Cold War, and lead all the way up into the Obama administration, I believe. But that's kind of an overview of the whole course. And this is what we're going to do just the week of 4 through 7. So you see that right there. And then here is an actual outline. So you can see Monday, we didn't have any school. Tuesday, if you're in the second period, you see you have, what you'll be doing right here. Yeah, you'll be asynchronous for Tuesday in the second period, and then you're synchronous on Wednesday. What your learning targets are for that day. And here's a cool part, assignments due. So you see here what assignments are due. Here, bulleted, summative. I'll tell you if it's a summative, a homework, or a formative down here. All right. So that's kind of where it is. Again, pretty much the same thing, just kind of outlined differently. So some of you will use announcements, some of you will use a syllabus. You have the introduction, right? Again, you have stuff down here you should do. So you would read that. I know where it is, and it's also right here. So just tell me a little bit about yourself. These are some guidelines if you want to use. Let me know your name. Please tell me your name, where you're from, what is your dream job, how you feel about online learning, and then possibly put a picture of yourself so I know kind of who you are, because not always when we're in live learning do you want to show yourself because maybe it's early in the morning and you're not ready or something like that. So, to each their own. So I'm going to kill this fly. It's been here in this house for like 2 months. It needs to die. And so right there, you don't have to respond to anyone else, but you can if you would like. All right, so that's just for me to get to know who you are and learn about who you are. That's why I did my first video. So I want to learn who you are as well. It helps me learn your names. Here is Tuesday, so you see it's a folder. So I need to read this right here. Watch the video on how to complete the geography lesson and then complete the lesson. So I click on it and I see here's the lesson right here. I'm not going to click on this. I'm going to do that in another video, which will be right here on how to complete it. So I'm going to actually do an individual video on how to go through these Florida virtual schools. Again, I'm trying to lay this out early on for you so it's simple for you down the line. All right. And so I want to go back to this right here, week 1. And so here's Wednesday. So we'll refresh your lesson, explore and learn. Make sure you read this. You do not have to do the assignment at the end. All right. Read everything. And then here's your pre-test. I'm not going to click on it because mine's going to look different than yours. And so I don't want to make it look confusing, but you click on that, you take it. If you when you finish it, you'll get a full summative grade, regardless of what you get. But try your best. I need to know what you know. So hopefully there's not any questions. If you do, just shoot me an email or ask me during office hours. Again, going back to this kind of overview of everything, you kind of see this would be week 1, so week 2 would be down here for next. Again, anytime you need to log in for either a live class or office hours, it's right here. It'll be here all year. These folders will be here all year because you may have new students and stuff like that. So I'm going to leave all updated so it's always going to move this way. Now, this may disappear, but all the rest of this will stay. All right. So hope you enjoyed this short little video-ish. We have a great rest of the day, and I look forward to meeting you or seeing you again. So depending on when you watch this video. So have a good day, guys, and take care. Be good.